If you want to set up the alarm clock on POCO C85, what you can do is you can find the clock app first, which you should be able to easily find in the app drawer. So let's open it. Of course, we can grant permissions to send us notifications. Over here, make sure that you have alarm selected, and there is a chance that you will have one alarm already created for you. If needed, you can of course use it quite easily. You can tap on the switcher to turn it on or off, and then you can also see when it will go off. And if you try to turn it off, if it's a repeatable alarm clock, then you can choose to turn it off just once for tomorrow, or you can just completely turn it off. You can also tap on the alarm in order to customize it, so you can change the time when it should go off. You can also change the ringtone, the alarm sound, of course, whether it should be repeated or not. If it's repeatable or not, you can also customize it and choose specific days of the week. And we have some other stuff as well, like for example the label, and we can tap on this check in order to save these changes. But if needed, of course, you can create another alarm by using this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we have pretty much the same stuff. The only difference is that we have one more option, delete after alarm goes off, which we can enable. So if that's what you need, then of course you can do so in here on this phone. And that is pretty much it. In case you want to delete an alarm, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger in order to select it, and then at the bottom we can tap on delete. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.